Boba the Adventures here. How you guys doing today? Today I want to show, hopefully he sees this video. I want to show Peter McKinnon, since he loves coffee and who doesn't. But he's a freak for the coffee. I know, I've seen it. So guys, this video is sponsored by Epidemic Sound. Yes, thanks to them I can find all kinds of songs for my videos on YouTube. You only pay $15 for that and you can get any music you want, unlimited. That is great. Great quality. What I like the most is that you can get one song, the whole song, the MP3 song, and you can get each beat of the song separately. That is awesome. I like that, because sometimes I can use it for, like, you know, a couple of scenes, you know, put a beat that I like and then the whole song. Also, I want to thank TubeBuddy. Go check it out. The link is right here. TubeBuddy helps you check your channel. Anything you want to know, go for it. You can check the tags, any tags. It will tell you if it's good enough to put it on your video or not. It will specify anything that you need for your channel. Information, tags. It will recommend you a couple of things. It will tell you how far you're going, how good you're doing on your video. Appreciate if you guys go maybe help the channel with that and subscribe. You won't regret any of those. A lot of people is sponsoring him with a lot of different coffee makers, coffee brewers, you name it. I am pretty sure he haven't tasted this kind of coffee. This coffee, I toasted it. I went to Mexico. I'm from Hermosillo. I went a couple of weeks ago and I brought some fresh green beans, non-toasted yet, until I got here. Once I got here, I toasted the coffee. Too bad I didn't record it, but I do have some pictures when I was done finishing toasting it. It just tastes so great. I promise, Peter, next time I go to Mexico, I'll bring some more coffee, and hopefully by then I'll see you and you can taste it. Homemade coffee toasted. Well, I just want to show you guys this quick video how I make my own coffee at home after I toasted it, obviously. Well guys, thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button, subscribe, share it for more people can see this video. And I promise next time I get the green beans, if you don't know how to toast it in your house and you will love to have that homemade taste, let me know. In the meantime, stay tuned, share this video, and wait for the other coffee to be toasted. And remember, keep dreaming. Dreams comes true. See you next time over the Adventures in the house. Peace.